Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 2 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel. All right. Now, before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, and also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on daily videos. So let's begin right off the bat. The spy looks good. I told y'all yesterday. I told you exactly what was going to happen. I told you that we were going to open up at 47.20. It turns out I was wrong. All right, it's opening up a lot higher than that, which is a good thing, which is a great thing. All right, because people in here have calls, and looks like we're about to get paid. It looks like it's about to open up at 47.30 this time, but I'm not changing my opinion on where it's gonna end up at. I think that we're going to cruise all the way up and close at exactly 47.60. Yeah, 47.60 is where I think we should close at the end of today. Definitely not bearish on the market. I was bullish over here, I was bullish over here, and now I'm bullish over here. All right, just keep that in your thoughts as we go on in today's trading session. Now, the stock that all of you, well, the first stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list, that one was looking pretty nice yesterday, and it is Netflix. All right, so we're gonna talk about Netflix really quickly. The reason why I really like it is because of this. If you look on the daily chart, just to start off, it's down by like 24% from the very top, from 700 all the way down to 530. That is a 24% drop, right? The volume is increasing again. As the sell-off started, the volume increased, and now that the sell-off is stopping, the volume is still good. We like it. All right, and there is this thing right there. We're gonna break that down really good. All right, really good. If you look closely, there is a kind of a flag. It's not quite there yet, but it is good to see these things in advance. That way you can make the most money, right? The sooner you spot these things or you anticipate these things, the more margin of profit there is for you and for me, right? So this is what I'm talking about right there. It got off the bottom at 530, consolidated yesterday, which I showed everybody in the Discord, especially before market closed, when it showed me this right here. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see this thing, this very bullish pennant right on the chart right there, and the appropriate entry was right in here with these people, with these individuals, right at 540. And right now it's about to open up a little higher, which is good. All right, it's about to open up at 548, and I think that it's going to run all the way up to 560 today. So definitely watch Netflix for today. Keep it on your watch list, and it could continue higher as well in the coming days. It could like continue higher to tomorrow as well. So that's the first stock that y'all should keep on your watch list. The next stock that y'all should keep on your watch list is VAEL, Valley, or Val, or however you want to say it. All right, now Val is the reason why I want to share this one with y'all. Again, it's gapping up pre-market, which is good, which is really good. It's because of this. It dropped from the highs of $23 all the way down to like 11, yeah, to $11, right? And then it decided to form this very clean thing right on the daily chart. Let me just make that bigger for all of the beginners who are looking to learn how to read charts. There is the left shoulder right here. There is the head right here, and there is the right shoulder right here. with the cavalry of buyers right there. Okay, and there is this very obvious and clean gap at 16.4 to fill. So there is money to be made on here. These contracts are ridiculously cheap. So definitely watch Vel for a move up to 40 no, not 40, to $16.40. Yeah, within the next 2 weeks. That's my thoughts on Vel. Not bearish on it. The structure looks good and it's clean enough for me to share this with y'all, with all of you in this video, okay? And obviously AMD from yesterday. Yes, I said I was bullish and it's still going. Yes, that one is still climbing. And I did tell y'all 140. If it's not already at 140, then it may just go higher. Then let's check that out. Let's see, how is AMD doing? Let's see how AMD doing. For those of y'all who bought that yesterday, it is at 140. Look at that. Y'all about to get paid. Y'all about to get really paid. Look at that. This is really good. Again, 140. So expect 142, guys. 142. That's my thing for today. And also, oh, it even got easier. Look at that. Right over here, you see that there is a flag on there. A very clean flag that is literally about to burst at the open. Right there. Okay, so I guess the top 3 stocks for today then. That's the ones for today's video. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. For those of y'all who dropped those in the comment section, the first one that we're going to talk about, that one is BHC. All right, and we're gonna talk about BHC because somebody asked about it, and I took a look at it. It's not looking quite bad. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. Like, as soon as the first thing that I see is that giant flag. That's the very obvious first thing that I see on the chart, and that flag is actually over here. If you zoom in, right there, take your drawing tool, you go all the way to the right, like that, and then this is the flag right over here. As you can see, it's literally about to burst. It's about to open up at like $28.16, and it's going to run all the way up to 30 very soon. This is looking clean. Shout out to the person who asked about it. I like it, and it's good enough for me to share this thing in today's video. All right, these are excellent questions from you and from people in the Discord as well. So yeah, watch this one for definitely for long. Now, another stock that we're going to talk about in today's video, we're going to talk about WMB. What's up with this one? This one is on a very bullish there. It has nice opportunities on the chart. Y'all see that, right? Traders love this thing. We love the nice swings, these, right? It's kind of predictable. Every time it goes to the 200 moving average in the daily, it has a massive push higher, and then it drops back down again, then a massive push higher. It kind of like did the inverse of the market when the market was collapsing. I mean, the SPY. When a SPY was collapsing, this one was actually continuing to cruise along, which is a good sign. Now that money is back in the market, it's still going. So I think it's gonna go all the way up to at least $30. If you were to plot the level of resistance on here, wrong drawing tool. Let me get the right one. All right, the level of resistance on here, yeah. So $31 is gonna go, and then eventually it's gonna like drop and chill for a bit, but definitely watch it for a move up to that level. And the last stock that we're going to talk about today is PDD. All right, now PDD is up to $63 right now. Massively undervalued. I like it a lot, and this is why I like it a lot. If you look on the 15-minute time frame, and you look right here, you can clearly see that this ascending triangle right there broke out at the same time that Lucid broke out. And as soon as it did, at around like 950, at 855, I mean, in that first candle, at around $59, I immediately shared both of them. PDD right here, as you can see, right here with that breakout, and with Lucid, right? So people were able to make money on both of these. I think that is going to go much higher. I'm not bearish on PDD, and I think that it can run to at least $66 probably today. So keep that one in your watches as well, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on the morning videos and the evening videos daily. Alright, if you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Ngumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook also. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ngumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.